MPC Sample features Step Edit, which allows us to edit individual events within our sequence, which is perfect for nudging your notes back and forth and off the grid to change in velocities. Now to enter Step Edit, hold down Shift and press the sequence button. And now you can see on the screen our individual events. So at the start of this sequence, I have a kick, a hi-hat and a sample, which show the pad number of the event. So say I want to move my snare, we can now use the encoder to go through our timeline to see where our snare is. And the pads highlighted in pink are our events that are on the screen. Now that we have our snare, which is pad AO2, we can use the fader to move the event back and forth, taking it off the grid. So if we want to make it late, we can push it forward. If we want to make it early, we can just pull it back. And this will change the position of where it is on our sequence. So I'm going to keep nudging our snare. So we're going to take our fader and I'm just going to nudge it forward a little bit more. And then what we're going to do, we're going to use our encoder on our timeline and we're going to go to our next snare. And we're going to do the same thing. We take our fader and we can move the position of where our snare hits. So we're going to pull this right back and we're just going to make our snare feel slightly lazy. Go to our third snare, do the same thing, and then we go to our fourth and we're going to push this forward. So this is going to be very lazy sounding. And this has already created a different feel to our beat. So now I'm going to go to the hi-hats and we're going to change the velocity on each step. And again, what this is going to do, this is going to humanize our hi-hats so they don't feel so static. Once you've changed your velocity, move to the next step with the encoder and again, use the control knob to enter your velocity level. Once you've gone through all of the steps, we can play our beat back and hear the change in velocity. Now we can also erase and add notes in our step edit. So we can go to our kick drum here and we can just press erase on our top button. Now to add the note back in, simply go back to the beginning, hit sequence record, and now hit the pad and it would drop the note back into the sequence. Thanks for watching this MPC sample tutorial and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.